welcome to Amy Kate's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious stuffed portabella mushrooms, and it's really easy. I have some chicken thighs that are skinless and boneless, but you can use whatever kind of chicken you have. And all I'm going to do is I've selected my favorite Italian dressing, and I'm just going to drizzle that over the chicken. I preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And then I have some spices that we're just gonna sprinkle over the top. I have a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a full teaspoon of oregano. And then I just added a little pinch of salt and pepper. And we're just gonna sprinkle that over the chicken. This will give the chicken a nice flavor that we're gonna stuff the portabella mushrooms with a little later. Into the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. My oven cooks really hot, so you'll just have to watch your chicken and see when it's done. Okay, so now we're gonna chop up a bell pepper, a whole bell pepper, and a half of a small onion. Now we're gonna put some olive oil in our pan. Now I've added my onion and bell pepper, and I'm just gonna cook this until the onions turn clear. So now we're gonna add our chicken onto a cutting board, and then we're just gonna chop it so we can stuff the mushrooms with it in a minute. After we get our chicken chopped, we're just going to set it aside. Onions have turned clear now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt. I'm also gonna add a little bit of pepper. And then I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic. Okay, and then I'm gonna add about a cup of breadcrumbs. I'm using gluten-free breadcrumbs. You don't have to, you can use regular breadcrumbs if you want to. Then I'm gonna add my chicken to this mixture. I'm gonna put about 2 heaping tablespoons of plant butter into my mixture. You can use regular butter if you want to, but I'm going to use dairy-free butter. I'm just going to let that melt in. And then also, I have my favorite Italian dressing. Stir it around till it's incorporated. Once you've stirred all that in, I'm going to go ahead and add some shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm using dairy-free cheese, but you're welcome to use regular cheese. Dairy-free cheese doesn't melt the same way as regular mozzarella cheese, so I'm going to go ahead and pre-melt it before I put my mixture into my mushroom caps. Okay, now what you need to do is get your favorite Italian dressing, and we're going to baste the mushroom caps, both sides, with Italian dressing. Now we're ready to put our stuffing in. I did preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now I'm just gonna pop these into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. So the mushrooms just came out of the oven and they smell wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. And also be sure to click on the subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Also, be sure to check out other videos on my channel for quick and easy meals. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye!